Danny's gotta be the dad, gotta suck it up, driving a foreign country.
Yeah, this is stressful as hell.
Stressful as hell, says Danny. Well, we're chilling over here.
It's pretty much straight.
Jake and I are sitting in the back seat. We got all this luggage room, no luggage.
I accidentally on something later.
Okay, I don't need this map right now.
Finally made it to the cooking class.
Oh my god, that drive is so stressful.
Oh my god.
Just have a quick look here. It's starting to. Wow.
Okay.
All that oil.
Yeah. It's gonna be good.
Yes.
Oh, look at Lisa. She's working so hard.
I gotta make up for that.
We say that messy and hard work. I mean, if you both
Not ready.
both dirty, it's terrible.
Are you doing yours, Lisa?
Yes. So we'll just back to one.
You look like you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Plate napkin cheese, and I'm going to put this in the oven.
We're having our little snack. And yours is gluten-free.
Yeah.
You gonna try a little piece of cheese?
Oh yeah. You liking the cooking class?
Yeah, it's really good. I'm learning a lot. I know Rita is. She getting good. Yeah.
This she also.
It's great.
Taglio la pasta e i fogli del sugo. L'aglio lo taglio. Sì. Okay, good. Then you tidy up the edges to make it nice and round. Non-stick pan. Maybe if you've got a pan that you do your pancakes in, because there's no oil in here, no nothing, so it's got to be a non-stick pan. Okay. Let it simmer away. Now I use this, but you can use fish basket. Now, if you haven't got that at home, you see when I put it over, just use this when it's hot though, do it, because otherwise it's too cold. Just press it down all the way around.
Get that bowl. Oh yeah.
I did it. That looks beautiful. I'm going next. I can't wait.
Take it out.
Take
See
it
what it
out.
looks like.
Ta-da. That's a pretty
That's a
good bowl.
pretty good looking one.
Okay.
Here's another turnout.
It's really good.
Good.
Yeah. It smells good. Oh, there's like no tomato in there.
Mmm. That's delicious.
Good. Gustoso. I dig it though.
The gnocchi was good, but this is
Really? All right.
set in the bar. The meat,
Yeah.
the meat sauce is excellent.
Take a spot, take a nap.
It's just
I embarrass you?
forced. So forced.
That was actually real.
No, it wasn't.
No.
Stop.
That's good. This kind of stuff's better.
It actually is really good.
I know that, but what do you taste? Do you taste the espresso?
It's really sweet. That's what I was like. It's not super strong.
Yeah, because your biscuits are so big.
Yeah.
Probably didn't soak it.
Yeah.
Good.
We just finished our cooking class and eating and having some wine in this lovely vineyard. And now we're headed to the hill town of San Gimignano, blah, 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 blah. No, I don't know how to say it, but we're headed there. And I can't believe that we spent the whole day here. It went by so fast. We spent 5 hours cooking pasta and gnocchi and making tiramisu. We're going to San Gimignano or something or other.
It's Gimignano.
Gimignano, San Gimignano.
Gimignano.
Get me on the way to San Gimignano. Now we're walking up the hill to San Gim, whatever Danny said. And it's a little bit of a hike. I got my walking shoes on. It looks like most people are leaving now because it's past 4 o'clock. And all the day trippers are probably heading out. We're on our way back to Florence, and we had a great day. Rita, what did you think?
I thought it was absolutely amazing. I mean, kind of crazy. It is absolutely a bella.
Great. What did you think of the pasta and the gnocchi and the tiramisu?
The tiramisu was my favorite. We had the best gelato in the world. The pasta was amazing. The gnocchi, not my favorite, but I appreciate it.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, I agreed. I'm gonna talk normally now. I agree. I think you could do a little bit less oil in the ragu for the pasta. The gnocchi, I think, I really liked it, yeah. And then the gnocchi, I would just want to put like pepper flakes
Yeah, that would have
in
made
it.
it
That would have made it.
perfect. Perfecto.
Yeah. And the wine with it, we've got to try 3 different wines. And it was delicious.
Very good.
They make
From
such
their own vineyard.
Yeah. And then we did buy a bottle of their olive oil, which is, we also had that, the bruschetta with the olive oil.
Yeah, that was very good.
And sausage and that special cheese that I have no idea.
Pecorino.
No, like you didn't have it because they didn't have it.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't want that
That's
all
right.
that cheese, but yeah.
Yeah, they did. We have it.
Oh, okay, we have a recipe.
Yeah, she gave us one for each couple.
Nice.
You take a picture of it.
She gave one for each couple.
Yeah, so
You guys can have one too. Yeah. So will we be making this? What will you make at home, you think?
The tiramisu